Hello, friends! Welcome to 3D Learn Kids! Today, we are going on a magical English adventure! Hello, friends! Welcome to our English conversation class. Today, we will learn simple English words together. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start learning English. Morning, this is morning. The sun rises in the morning. Repeat after me. Morning. Afternoon. This is afternoon. We eat lunch in the afternoon. Say it again.
Afternoon. Evening.
This is evening. The sun goes down in the evening. Repeat.
Evening.
Night. This is night. We sleep at night. Say it with me. Night.
Hello, Anne.
Hello, Tom.
Hello means greeting someone.
Good morning, Anne. Good morning, Tom. We say good morning in the morning. Good afternoon, Anne. Good afternoon, Tom. We say good afternoon after lunch. Good evening, Anne. Good evening, Tom. We say good evening in the evening.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Anne.
We say good night before sleeping. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your English will get better.
Student. A student learns in school. Repeat. Student.
Fine. Fine means good. Say it again. Fine. Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you a student? Yeah.
Yes, I am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Learning English is fun. See you at the next one.
Keep practicing English.
Learn this conversation with 4-Step Phonics on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to 3D Learn Kids so I can keep making more English learning videos for you.